Welcome to Talking About Gym Box. Make sure y'all subscribe, click that bell. Today we're doing shoulders and we're gonna work traps too. We're gonna do some traps too. Don't forget we got 3 heads on the shoulders, the rear, the side, and the front. And we're gonna work these traps, getting them big. I don't know if y'all can see it through the shirt, you might not, but because it was covered up so much. But we're gonna do some shrugs and get right. Let's get to work. Alright y'all, rear delts. We're gonna work with, which is the back shoulder, right here. In the back, rear delts. Here we go. Let's get it. I usually start on the rear delts first because you know you're gonna lift a little bit of heavy weight on the side and the front shoulder. So a lot of people just work on the rear delt first. Y'all, real delts, standing up. That's how you do it. You gotta work your form first, but you gotta keep your mind on what you're working. Rear delts in the back. Here we go, rear delts. I'm holding something, you got to find something to hold. I'm leaning a little bit. What I'm doing is, I'm putting all the force on my shoulder, on my rear delts. Hold, don't stand straight up. You gotta go to work, you gotta work them rear delts. Still working rear delts, y'all. You actually need the little tricep pull down, the ropes. But look, we can't make no excuses, so we're gonna try to do what it do. Rear delts, get in position, put one foot out, one in the back, and you pull with your rear delts. Rear delts. Pull. Rear delts. Don't hit yourself in the face because you can't. All the way to your chin. Rear delts. Alright y'all, we're gonna switch it up and work these traps. We're gonna do some shrugs. We're gonna go up on it like this. The Talking About Gym Box machine. That's what you call this right here. That's what it is. Yeah, I said it. Talking About Gym Box machine. That's how we're gonna do it. Get in position. Pull it up. And you with your shoulders. Working traps. Working traps. Working traps. Traps with dumbbells. Hold it in like this. Same way I did the toe mop machine. Up, up, up. Arms straight. Traps. As you saw, we done with rear delts. Now we're working on the side. Remember, 3 heads. We headed to the second head. Side. Here we go. Get them dumbbells like this. Shoulders. You don't want to relax when you go down. You want to keep that contraction going. You want it to keep being intense. I did this with the delts, the rear delts, the back. Now I'm doing this with the side, the same thing. Lean like this. And let the shoulders do all the work. Work inside. Now we're working on the front shoulder. The front, you know, shoulder press. Doing some shoulder press now. About to work on the front a little bit. Let's get it. You can start with whatever weight you want. I mean, you know what I'm saying? My shoulder's about burnt out, so I'm gonna start with 35. Yeah, that's kind of light, but we're gonna roll with it. High reps. High reps. Front shoulder, y'all. It's a straight bar. Start whatever way you want. Let's get it. Shoulder work, one too heavy. Why? I boxed today, did 10 rounds, 3 minutes, took like a minute and 15-second break. 10 rounds, that wore me out, but I still had to come here and lift a little bit of weight, so I had to do something. I'm tired now. Y'all know the slogan, show me outside it counts. Shout out to the cameraman that's holding the camera, man. And subscribe, man. Tell everybody about it, man. It's a new beginning, man. And I'm trying to explain everything to everybody because it seems like this is working a little bit. So let's keep it going. Y'all know what it is. Cheers.